Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank, and today we're going to draw a very dear and special character to me. Spider-Man has always been one of my favorites, and this new version of Spidey combines cuteness and action in the same pack. So let's start by drawing these 4 equidistant lines. So this is the size of the head, and Spidey is 3 heads tall. So this is how I measure it. A simple way, we don't need a ruler, just do it with the pencil. And then, in order to draw the head, I'm going to start with an oval. So for the torso, I'm going to draw an upside down egg. Let's remember, Spidey has an athletic body. The legs I'm going to draw roughly like this. Now I'm just marking the center of the head. And this is where the eyes are gonna be. So in order to improve my mannequin, I like to place the shoulders around here, and after placing the shoulders, then I get to know where the hands will be. So this is the place where I'm gonna draw the hands, and I make cylinders that don't necessarily have to be connected. Okay, so we have the basic shape of Spidey. Now let's work a little bit more on the details. Basically, what I'm going to do now is I'll have to shape the body in a way that looks more comfortable, more circular. So at this point, we just emulate human anatomy. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it doesn't have to be accurate. Now all that's left to do is the web lines on the uniform. And there you go, the basic sketch is ready, and now let's get the thicker marker for the external lines. Also, we have to use the thick marker for the larger areas, like the contour of the eyes and the spider on his chest. And for some more detailed work, we're gonna use a finer marker. So for this drawing, I thought that for now the best option would be colored pencils. Maybe for a future Spider-Man drawing I'm gonna use another medium. And here I'm just using some gray so I can put some shade on his eyes. Only on the lower part. And that's ready. That was actually the first contact with the concept of a mannequin. So I hope you have learned something nice today, and I would love it if you just like the video and subscribe to our channel. It's very important for us. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, my friends.